Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial on how to install any Flutter script from this amazing website called curated.net. If you haven't already liked, do well to like this video, share, as well as subscribe. Alright, the way you're going to get inside here is by going to your preferred browser, and you just want to go ahead to type or search for curated.net, just the way it is, and you're going to be redirected to this website. Here you can just literally just search for the script that you want to purchase. For today we're going to be looking at this Flutter UI Kit application. So this is more like a material kind of application, and you're going to see how it works in just a few seconds. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, you want to go ahead to read down this documentation, look at some screenshots about this application, because it's literally what you're going to be seeing. And once you confirm this, you want to go ahead to add this script to cart, which you're going to be clicking on this button. And once you click on add to cart, you're going to be redirected, or you're going to be shown this pop-up that your item has been added to cart already, and you're going to see the pricing and giving up by description of the application. So you want to go ahead to click on this go checkout button. I'm not going to be going through this route because we've already purchased this script, but just a disclaimer, you can literally just click on this, follow the straightforward process where you're being prompted to input your credentials, and once you're done with that, you can go ahead and purchase the script directly. So once your purchase is successful, your script is going to be downloaded and it's going to be stored in your local machine. So this video I'm going to now show you how to get the tools that are required in order to start running Flutter on your local machine. So the tools I'm going to be showing you, number one is Flutter itself. So let's go over here and get Flutter. Okay, so just before we get Flutter UK, let me show you the IDE that you want to be using in this to run Flutter comfortably. So this is Android Studio. This is the official IDE for building mobile applications across different platforms. So you just want to go ahead and look at the IDE guide and read a lot more about MSC and how to use it. So go ahead to click on download it. So once you do this, you're going to just ensure to read the terms and conditions, and then check that you have read and agreed with the both terms and conditions. Then you can go ahead to click on download. Download should begin, and you can go ahead to follow the prompt or the pop-up that comes regarding installation. So once that is out of the way, just go ahead to search for Flutter, just like this. You go to Flutter's official documentation. You can just go ahead and click on this one, follow the procedures, and you get how to install Flutter. So our app is already downloaded and purchased. So let's go ahead to open our app. I'm going to be using Visual Studio for this tutorial, so I just wanted to use Android Studio, or you can directly use Visual Studio depending on which IDE you want to use. So I'm going to be using Visual Studio. This is how to download Visual Studio. You just have to go to code.visualstudio.com, and then you can choose any of these options in order to get your Visual Studio downloaded. So let's open the application we want. So this is our IDE Visual Studio code, and this is the project structure we have at the moment. And you can see everything is just in red. I'm just going to go ahead to open my command line or command prompt. I'm just going to say Flutter clean. I'm just going to Flutter pop-get first. This is going to build and install dependencies and packages, just resolve those dependencies. So just after running that command, you can go ahead to say Flutter run. So most times I'd like to clean my project before even popping get, but for this project I'm not going to be doing that. So I just want to go ahead to run the project so we can see everything. So you just type Flutter run command just the way it is. Alright, so this is gonna be an emulator issue. So what you want to go ahead to do is to select an emulator. So for my case, I'm gonna be selecting my physical device. I'm gonna be selecting my physical device. So let me just connect that quickly. So this is my physical device. So I'm just gonna say Flutter run now. So I'm gonna quit this. Quit. So then again, I can just go ahead to say Flutter. Sorry about this. Just want to go to a new line. Flutter run. That's not run. This is run. So that command helped us to run the application, and this is how our application looks like. So yeah, there's some prompts here. You just have to follow the onboarding process and everything attached to it. So this is literally how our application looks like, and that is how to that is how to run and install the Flutter project directly from code.net. Thank you very much, and see you next time.